Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In this video, I would like to first of all show you my work in progress. This is this gorgeous carousel from Make Market, their Christmas series. I am almost done with it. I have only this very part left, so hopefully by the end of this week or on next weekend, it will be already ready, and I will upload a post review of this gorgeous completed design. I customized it a lot with crystals, with metallic drills, with ABs, because this kit came with acrylic drills only. And to tell you the truth, I was planning to start working on this kit maybe a month ago, but since this kit contains 53 colors, it's too much for me, too many colors for me, so I diamond painted this very kit first, Winter Forest, and after, so to say, a rest with that very kit, because it contained only 23 colors and it had a lot of color blocking, I began diamond painting Carousel. It is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters, and it has a lot of confetti, plus 53 colors. So it's a longer and larger project for me, but I love working on it. Although there is a lot of confetti, it is diamond painted pretty fast, in my opinion, and I did customize it with a lot of different accents, as you can see. But I will elaborate on it later once I complete this kit. Unfortunately, the camera does not capture the sparkle at all. The sparkle is way more intense, even with the acrylic drills, but unfortunately the camera is not the best in this case, so in real life it looks way much better. And the rendering is amazing. Just look at the detailization. It is just perfect detailization, as always. And in the second part of this video, I would like to show you these two completed snack sized kits that I purchased in Hobby Lobby in Florida back in April. If you follow my channel, I'm pretty sure you remember me unboxing it. They were very cheap, $2 as far as I understand, so my daughter actually completed them. And unfortunately, again, the camera doesn't capture the sparkle. The sparkle is way better than what you see on the camera. So first of all, this dog with crystal drills on the background, and acrylic drills on the dog's face, except of the bow and the glasses. And the smiley face, my daughter wants to give them away as a gift for Christmas to her teachers. They turned out terrific. I really love it. I'm sorry for the cracking sound. And I have really very good news. Hobby Lobby is gonna open in my area either in the end of this year or in the beginning of the following year, next year, and it's like, I don't know, 15 minutes from me. Oh my god, so I'm going to be there weekly. I'm so happy that they are opening it. Too bad they are no longer offering Diamond Art Club kit and Diamond Dots kit, but at least they offer Diamond Dots drills, which I can order. So this is all for today. Just wanted to show you what I'm working on right now, and two small projects that my daughter completed. And if you are thinking of purchasing this very kits, the snack sized kit for your kids, for example, go ahead and do it. They're perfect. They're wonderful. My daughter enjoyed it, and they come with a frame and with everything needed for this very kit, for this very craft. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.